So what on my left is an example of a regular chatbot, and what on my right is an example of a chatbot with AI. And the difference in both of them is a regular chatbot is a very menu option driven. That's the classic thing that typically we do today, right? This is a screenshot from Einstein Chatbot, and you can see that it's for some university, and they're saying, hey, I'm an assistant, pick an option and get started. So it is very option driven. There is no specific account specific information. So I can't ask, hey, what are my grades? How much fees did I pay? I can't do those things. It's still more connected to just the knowledge base and trying to offer you information based on that. If I said agent or human or representative, and if I said it in a different language, it may or may not pick up on that, right? It's just fundamentally the limitations of rule-based solutioning, right? And its ability to identify other kind of keywords is also limited. So this Einstein or other chatbots that use a rule-based engine, they basically use what is known as intent and utterances. So you're trying to map what people may say, like an agent, representative, human, right? Things like that. And then connect it back to, oh, you must want a name. That's what's happening with a regular chatbot. And when you think of an enhanced chatbot, which is the Salesforce's newer version of chatbot, and you can integrate it through GPTfy, and we are doing this for a bunch of customers, the idea is you're able to bring AI to this chatbot experience. And your user experience can be a lot more conversational. It can be multilingual if it needs to be. It can have account-specific information and context. You can now apply AI instead of rule-based for detecting intent. Again, AI has a much, much broader contextual understanding, so it can understand things and answer on that. By integrating GPTfy and AI, you're also able to answer specific questions where I can say, what were my grades? How much tuition did I pay? And some version of that for whatever business you are in, right? A customer can ask, what's the status of my case? When is my service supposed to be renewed? What happened to the terms I made, right? Whatever business you have, whatever nuances it has, if you have a logged in user experience, you are able to now offer a significantly more in-depth conversation. And this is where in true sense, you're moving away from the chat block idea, which is where we are today, to a chatbot that can actually solve my problems as a customer.